Welcome back to our channel where we help you become more productive and achieve your goals. In today's video, we're going to be talking about mastering productivity and the habits and tools you can use to get more done in less time. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable tips and strategies that you can implement to increase your productivity. The first step in mastering productivity is to understand your priorities. Make a list of your most important tasks and focus on completing them first. This will help you stay on track and avoid getting overwhelmed. Another important habit for productivity is to plan your day ahead of time. This means creating a schedule or to-do list for the next day before you go to bed. This will help you start your day with a clear focus and direction. To maximize your productivity, it's also important to eliminate distractions. This means turning off your phone notifications, closing unnecessary tabs on your computer, and avoiding social media during work hours. By reducing distractions, you can stay focused and get more done in less time. One of the most effective tools for productivity is the Pomodoro Technique. This technique involves working for 25 minutes and taking a 5-minute break, then repeating the cycle. This can help you stay focused and avoid burnout. Another tool for productivity is time blocking. This involves scheduling specific time slots for each task on your to-do list. This can help you stay on track and avoid wasting time on unimportant tasks. In addition to time blocking, it's also important to take breaks throughout the day. This means stepping away from your desk and taking a walk, doing some stretches, or practicing mindfulness. This can help you recharge and come back to your work with renewed focus. Another habit for productivity is to delegate tasks when possible. This means identifying tasks that can be done by someone else and assigning them to a team member or outsourcing them. This can help you focus on your most important tasks and avoid getting bogged down in busy work. It's also important to take care of your physical health to maximize productivity. This means getting enough sleep, eating a balanced diet, and exercising regularly. These habits can help you maintain high energy levels and focus throughout the day. Another tool for productivity is to use technology to your advantage. This means using apps and tools like Trello, Asana, or Google Calendar to stay organized and on track. These tools can help you streamline your workflow and avoid getting overwhelmed. One habit for productivity is to learn to say no. This means being selective about the tasks and projects you take on and prioritizing your own goals and priorities. Saying no can help you avoid overcommitting and spreading yourself too thin. It's also important to take breaks and recharge on the weekends. This means disconnecting from work and engaging in hobbies, spending time with loved ones, or simply relaxing. Taking time to recharge can help you avoid burnout and maintain your productivity in the long run. Another tool for productivity is to use the Eisenhower matrix. This involves categorizing tasks into 4 quadrants based on their urgency and importance. This can help you prioritize your tasks and avoid spending time on unimportant tasks. To maximize your productivity, it's also important to take care of your mental health. This means practicing self-care, taking breaks when needed, and seeking support if you're feeling overwhelmed or stressed. Taking care of your mental health can help you stay focused and productive in the long run. Another habit for productivity is to celebrate your accomplishments. This means taking time to acknowledge and celebrate your successes, no matter how small they may be. Celebrating your accomplishments can help you stay motivated and inspired to keep going. In conclusion, mastering productivity is all about creating habits and using tools that work for you. It's important to prioritize your tasks, plan ahead, eliminate distractions, take breaks, delegate tasks when possible, take care of your physical and mental health, and celebrate your accomplishments. By implementing these tips and strategies, you can get more done in less time and achieve your goals. And that's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more productivity tips and strategies. Don't forget to click the bell icon to be notified of our latest videos. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What are some of your favorite habits and tools for productivity? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.